Well, hello there. How you doing, guys? I'm doing great. I'm feeling fantastic, and my day just can't get any better than this, and I'm so excited to share this fucking bullshit with you guys. What the actual fuck is this, Facebook? This is the third fucking time you're doing this fucking shit to me, and I'm fucking pissed off because this is really fucking frustrating now. Look at this shit. They restricted my Facebook account on 7 days, and guess why? Because I shared a meme in a comment section. Wow, guys. Wow, you fucking did it. Your new AI fucking shit sucks. They apparently made this new AI bot, whatever the fuck it is, that follows everything that you post, share, or comment on Facebook. And if it finds any of that you posted, shared, or commented on Facebook abusive, or offensive, or dangerous, or whatever, if it breaks any of community standards, which in my case doesn't, it will flag your account and restrict it for some time. First, I commented something about America, and let me be clear, I didn't call anyone directly stupid or anything. I just said that Americans are stupid with their behavior for destroying half of the country with those protests about Trump and shit that was going on. And I said how it's stupid what they're doing, their behavior is stupid, and somehow Facebook registered that as a speech of hate and restricted my account for 24 hours. Then less than a week ago they restricted my account for 3 days. I also commented something similar to that, not sure really what happened. Oh yeah, I remember, there was a picture of a computer that's been shot with a bullet, and the article said that neighbor shot the computer because he was annoyed by his neighbor playing video games, and he shot his computer with a gun. And I commented, if that was my computer, I would kindly shoot the neighbor. Of course, I was sarcastic, and that was some sort of a humor, but Facebook also recognized that as a speech of hate or whatever the fuck, and they suspended my account for 3 days. And now they suspended my account for 7 fucking days because of this meme. There was some article about The Last of Us Part 2, and I posted this meme and wrote the game sucks. And this is a picture. As you can see, those are very real people, because Ellie from The Last of Us Part 2 is a very real person, you know, and E.T. from Atari is also very real alien that really exists, you know, on this planet, lives with us every day. And we can see 2 of them fighting. As you can see, this is very brutal image, and it's very gory and should not exist. Like, what the actual fuck? This picture just makes fun of The Last of Us Part 2 because it had worst rating when it came out in a couple of days than the Atari, E.T. Atari, which was like the worst game ever made. The game was so terrible that they buried all of their game copies in desert. That's how terrible the game was, and it somehow still managed to have better rating than fucking The Last of Us Part 2 in a few days after its release. And that meme just makes fun of that, of course. These are some 2 anime characters in the background, and somebody put a picture of Ellie and E.T. And this is a joke. This is obviously a fucking joke. This is supposed to be humor, nothing serious. And I just can't believe that Facebook restricted my account because I posted this picture in a comment. Dear Facebook, I have to say that your new AI system, bot, whatever the fuck it is, it fucking sucks terribly, and you're ruining your own social network and community. It's fucking bullshit. You can't even say anything to anyone anymore on Facebook. Like, if you use word stupid in any context, not even calling someone stupid or directly or saying it to someone. For example, you see a tree that is pink color and you say that tree looks stupid, you'll get fucking restricted for that on Facebook, for calling a tree stupid or whatever. So you can't use certain words on Facebook in some contests, obviously, because this AI is fucking retarded and recognizes that as a hate speech or whatever. And I just can't fucking believe that this is a real thing in 2021, dude. What the fuck happened, Facebook? How could you allow this fucking bullshit? I can't post any of my videos on my Facebook group now for 7 fucking days. Are you fucking kidding me? I can't comment anything, I can't like anything, I can't share anything. Imagine if someone is using Facebook for business and they actually need to make money every day and their bread depends on their posts or whatever they're doing on the internet, their articles or whatever, and this happens to them. Like, you're literally committing the fucking crime against that person. You're taking the bread from their mouth with this fucking bullshit. This is retarded. This should stop. Please, either remove that bot, which I'm totally up for, or fucking fix it to work properly, because this is bullshit. It makes me angry. I'm really pissed. I haven't been this angry in my life. I don't remember when last time. Especially when your account gets suspended twice in a row in less than a week because of a fucking meme. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking serious? How can this be like promoting violence or whatever? How does this meme promote violence? In what way? Please explain this to me. Those are not real people. Those are... Everything on this picture is fictional. It doesn't exist in real life. Except the picture above. Those are the, like, from the page of the ratings for the games. Like, there's nothing abusive or bullying or whatever the fuck about this picture. It's fucking retarded. I complained to Facebook about this and I don't know, I'm fucking losing my patience with this shit, man. And like the worst part of all this bullshit is that like if you wanna see what did you do wrong and if you click Y to view what, it's gonna say unfortunately there was a mistake, because yeah, of course, why would you know what did you do wrong and why would you know why you got your account restricted? Like that makes sense, right? And if I go under history of restrictions here, you can see a bunch of shit here that is of course all wrong, almost all wrong. And I'm gonna quickly go through it now with you to prove you that. So first, my first restriction was last year, and it says I couldn't put any ads for 30 days, and that's because I used a fake picture on my ad where I made a little ad that I repair computers, and I was just trying to make some money back in that time, and I didn't really want to take the picture of my computer or whatever. I mean, what picture are you gonna take about an ad where you want to say that you repair computers, clean them and stuff? You can't really take a picture of that, right? So I found some fake picture on the internet and put it, and I got restricted for that, for using fake picture and trying to sell people something that is fake. And then the same day, as you can see here, they said they removed my 30-day restriction for the ads. I don't know what happened, they just removed it and I was happy about it. Then the same day they told me I can't go live for 30 days, which I totally don't care about because I barely ever make lives on Facebook. And then the same day they also say they removed it, that 30-day restriction for going live. This just doesn't make any fucking sense at all. And if I also click on any of these view why, it's gonna also say there was a mistake. You see, there was a mistake, everything is always a mistake, and it's not gonna let me see why, because why should I know that as a user of my own account? And then after that, the same day, they say to me that they understand that mistakes happen and they didn't restrict my account. Okay, mistakes happen, yeah, sure. Obviously, a lot of times with your fucking AI that doesn't work. And then they say the same day again they removed my 0-hour restriction. 0-hour restriction? What are we talking about here? And then again they say the same thing, that I cannot put any ads for 30 days. It's all same day. This all happened the same day. So they give me restriction, they remove it. They give it to me, they remove it. They give it to me, they remove it. And then they again put me the 30-day restriction for going live. Again, the same thing as down here. It's all the same day again. And then again they repeat the same thing, that they understand that mistakes happen. All same day, and none of that matters anymore. So they twice to me repeated the same thing. I got same restrictions and messages twice in a row in the same day, and Now those are the last 3 restrictions. 2 of them might be a little bit of my fault, but I still disagree with them. But the last one is that's been today, and it's fucking bullshit. It's outrageous fucking bullshit. So only those 3 are actual restrictions. All of this was faulty AI. Look. I just can't. I'm fucking done with this shit.